So here's a resource that'll help you if you have questions about your garage door.
Because of the weight, there's a lot of issues that come up with these doors that make them unsafe if not properly maintained. A good idea is to have a tune-up once a year. We can come out and give a tune-up, 18-point tune-up. We'll go through the whole thing, make sure it's safe, rolling smoothly, and there's no friction, no chance of it coming off track and falling down on a car or a person.
Hi, I'm Greg, and this is David, and we're with D&G Garage Doors, and we hope you enjoyed that video.
We've got a lot more videos available. Just go to this link right here, if you can see it, and go there now.